Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Teams the priority app. Sign in on desktop and enable auto start so Teams stays active. Once signed in, turn on background app permissions and disable system power settings that suspend apps. Then set your work hours in Outlook and adjust status duration inside Teams. This tells the service when you intend to appear available. Make sure your device stays set to never sleep during those hours, because presence depends on active system processes and app connectivity. Once the basics are set, keep sending regular activity signals. Use the Teams desktop client as primary because it reports presence more consistently than web or mobile. If needed, create recurring short calendar events or use a lightweight automation script to refresh presence. These simulate user activity without constant interaction. Also, make sure your network is stable. Prefer wired or strong Wi-Fi and avoid VPNs that disconnect frequently. Together, these steps maintain the heartbeat between your client and Teams' present service. Finally, confirm everything persists. Check that Teams is up to date and that you are fully signed in. Once done, restart Teams and clear its cache if presence still flips. This resolves many sync issues. If problems persist, make sure organizational policies or conditional access via Intune aren't forcing away states. And if you hit a wall, contact IT with exact times and screenshots. Providing logs helps them identify server-side overrides or policy conflicts quickly so you can stay consistently green.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.